Hi guys, so we're starting the vlog in the mirror. It's pretty late in the day already. I was at work all morning and then I got home and was just kind of relaxing a bit. I did some editing and uploaded yesterday's vlog. What the hell am I thinking? I don't know what's going on.
Can you just record your outfit, please?
I just showed them that I'm crazy, yes. Sorry, I'm not in my appropriate fall attire.
Excuse me, Daisy. Did you not know I was coming?
No, sorry. I left the trash there on purpose. So apparently it's raining in California. Who knew?
Is my car okay there?
Who knew? Did you know that it was gonna rain, Jess?
Yeah.
Wow. So
It's raining tomorrow and Sunday as well.
I'm living under a rock.
Like me and Daisy.
What the hell?
I can relate to this.
I don't even know if you can hear me with all this rain. I swear.
Slowing down.
Yeah, it was like clear like what, 10 minutes ago.
It was honestly, I went to the mall with my mom earlier today and I'm like, Mom, it's a beautiful day. The sun's out.
It's a beautiful day.
Clouds, like all nice and stuff.
This is just rain.
I'm not gonna die.
It's literally just rain. Oh, and some lightning.
Yeah, it's just rain.
A little thunder. What the?
Dude, you know we're supposed to count just to see how close it is?
I don't even know anything. Oh my god.
Wait, I don't know if we're supposed to count down or count.
You guys can't even see how bad it's raining, but it's pretty bad. Wow. At least we made it in the car before this happened. She bought a new camera? What? No, really, but we're at Best Buy trying to find the SD cards, you know, and I have no idea where they're at.
I'm in love.
Two hours later.
Alright guys, we got the goods. And the employee was laughing at my outfit choice, but it's okay. It's all good.
Okay.
Oh shit, did you not see that?
No.
The thunder and lightning is like tripping me out. Like that was literally lightning.
No, it wasn't. It was probably the lights flickering.